Okay, so we're gonna do beginner squats for limited mobility and to help protect the knees as well as the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a chair. You can use a couch, your bed, anything to sit on. And what we're gonna do is we're going to hinge back in order to protect our knees. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to come straight down like that. You heard that? That was my knee cracking right there. So you don't want to do that. You want to hinge back and then sit. So as soon as you sit, you want to stand up, just like this. Whoa. Just like that. So hinge, down, and up. Hinge, down, up. Hinge, down, up. Like that. This is going to help you with your form. Obviously, you can't go down super low because you're sitting, but this is going to help you build up the form for a squat, a proper squat, as well as, like I said, protect your knees, protect your back. Also, it'll help keep your heels on the floor because you don't want to squat and have your heels coming up like that. Puts a lot of pressure on your knees. So again, this is a great squat workout for people with limited mobility, knee pain, back pain. So give it a try. All right, let's do it. Let's do it together. Ready? That's it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. That way I can make more videos for you guys.